Hi, in front of me I have OPPO A5s and I'm gonna show you how to perform the factory reset on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone, and to do it, press and hold the power button. When this menu appears, press and hold right here and then drag this circle to the bottom of the screen. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And when the OPPO logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. And we enter the recovery mode. We can move through this menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons and confirm the selection by pressing power button, or we can also use the touchscreen. I'm just gonna use the touchscreen, and now let's select the language. To do it, just tap on it, or like I said before, use the physical buttons. I'm gonna select English. Here I'm gonna select, or we're gonna select wipe data. Then tap on wipe data right here. Select OK. Now let's wait. Now let's tap on OK. And then tap on reboot. And select OK. And that's how you perform the factory reset on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.